Good day, my wonderful people. It's me again, the great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit your notification button. Country girl, big up yourself. Nuclear, big up yourself. Rebel, big up yourself. Country boss, hit your notification button. Now, look at the screen in front of you. I'm taking you to Bedward Gardens, Jamaica, the Berry Gang. And this information that I'll be presenting today, it come from the Jamaica Constabulary Force website. Now, this I will then put on them website. So I'm gonna try my best to analyze it and analyze it in a way where we can break it down and we can understand it, because I have a problem with it. Let's move on. Look at the screen in front of you. It's a constabulary force release information on gangster kill in Bedward Gardens. Let's move on. Now, look at the screen in front of you again. It's February the 11th, 2021, on Wednesday, March 10th, 2021. Now, this is the information I come off of the police website. Is it February? Is it March? Them say a joint intelligence team driven by intelligence to apprehend the Berry Gang in Bedward Gardens. Okay, let's move on. Now, from my understanding, that the youth on the left, him name a Mingos, and him a the leader, so-called leader. Them say him implicated in the murder of Ripton Jones, otherwise called Fraser R. Uzi, in April 2020, in August town. Now, this is where my problem start, because all me see is allegations. There is no evidence to show John Public say, yo, the money I do this, the money I do that. We hear about these things all the time. Now, we know the police them stay at Jamaica. We know people keep on saying, yo, countryman, I defend criminals. But me not defend criminals. Me I defend the constitutional right of every Jamaican citizen. There is no evidence. Now, it's the same thing we see right here. So, the reputed gang leader also identified in an open fire upon police and Jamaica Defence Force. There is really no evidence. They did the same thing to Dagpa. Now, you hear Akil Doppio Thomas, him smarter than them, because him go up the news media and hide out and use a media thing and win the police them. But there is really no evidence. It's just the same thing. And really, I don't want to be a blogger who sound like a talking it. You understand? Just talking the same damn thing all the damn time. No. Me, I'm a little bit different. I am looking at the constitutional implications, and there's a whole bunch of dilemmas and bad negative issues that I can talk about with Jamaica and the gang. But this issue really stinks to me because I don't see no evidence. Let's move on. Here we go again. Jelani Palmer, otherwise called Short Boss. Them say he was a prominent member of the gang and charged in April for the slapper of Gary McGregor, Kingston 6. It's just a constant, how boring, how crazy does this sound? I mean, I am going through this and I want to fall asleep. It's the same goddamn thing all the time. There is something wrong with our country when we know say, yo, politician are thief. The police, them a do some contracting and I execute and I dash with people. We know say the gang thing out of control. And when you have a system like that, there have to be some new checks and balances. Yo, I don't know how we can achieve that because the whole system in Jamaica is unruly. You understand? The people them in a ghetto, them two-faced. You understand? Them say the man them are this, them terrorizing at the neighborhood. But yet still, when a boy do something and the dirty police them for come get the man them protect the man them. And then cry. You understand? Nobody now talk. You understand? You have criminal, them are peer police, like the boy there from Belfont. Him pay $15 million and get out of prison. The politician them look the other way. Me no know how some of them politicians are sleeping at them bed. No, to be fair, I saw Miss Paula Lowen when she did a talk about the Patriot Ministry thing, and it looked like her job at take a toll for her. You understand? Because she have to deal with a lot. But yeah, the system is topsy-turvy. But I am not gonna leave off my point, which I feel there is no evidence in the case. As the video play, you can see the different thing which them accuse these guys of or allege. I guess them fling one now. So it's like it dead and gone. But I would love to see the government show more evidence, and I would and like for the news media to, step up and do some good reporting. Don't just say what the police say. You understand? Don't just play what the police play. Step up and do some good reporting. Step up because I want to talk about freedom of speech for news media thing. But at the same time, it is how can I put it, a controlled environment. You understand? So, like I said, me, countryman, I can't just read off oh yeah, Jelani Palmer, this, him in a berry gang, that, blah, blah, blah. No, I'm picking this story apart. And to be honest, you know, this is the furthest I could go. I am not going to read the rest of these things because it is just really bullcrap. And it's a shame this is what they put on the Jamaica police website. Hopefully, we'll have some better leaders in government and them thing there as we move along. Hopefully, we can solve certain problems because right now, Jamaica, our dangerous place to live. Yo, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, hit your notification button, Country Boss. Alright? We know that one that kind of sound boring, but in the middle of the video, we will reach a Jelani Palmer. I just get pissed off and I'm not going to read out the rest of my name. Period. I just going to give my point and you agree with it or you don't agree with it. Countryman, I'm out.